Alright guys, got the new GoPro 13. Checking on the mices. Look at those little buggers eating some milk bones. They love them things. Alright. More little mousies eating milk bones. Look at those little buggers. Too bad they're gonna be food. Well, those aren't, but they're gonna make me babies to feed Big Mama and her boyfriend. There's her boyfriend. Look at that. I'm gonna clean all these guys tomorrow. I'll give her some fresh water today. But there's my female Samboa. She's feisty. She bit me the other day. But yeah, guys, just a test of the new GoPro. We're gonna do some cool things with it. My crazy white tree frogs back there. These things are bonkers. They might need to find, oh, why'd you go black? They might need to find a new home, to be honest with you. They're a little much. But got the superworm. Superworms doing their dude. So I bet you there's a bunch of babies in here somewhere. I gotta knock these out. But yep, so let's see, we'll shake this. I gotta feed these things too. But let's see, do we see movement? I don't see any, but they're so small when they're first hatched out that you almost never see it. Oh, that superworm pupae is about to do its thing. Looking a little dead, I don't know. But superworms. Superworm. Big fatties. Because that's what I do. Yep. Good stuff. So yeah, just checking out the new GoPro, guys. I think it's gonna be sweet. I mean, I'm going from a 4 to a 13, so should be pretty impressive. But we'll see. Got the P1S doing its thing. Don't mind the mess. I gotta clean up out here. 3D printed this earlier. That's pretty cool. Little case for the new GoPro. Holds like 3 SD cards, an extra battery, and some other small stuff. So that's